Guys, welcome back to Star's channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make easy American pancakes which are so fluffy, and I bake them every year for Pancake Day, and that's coming up, so I thought I should show you how to make them. I actually did make a Christmas special which is a Christmas star, but it's not just for Christmas, and I also made a New Year special which you can also use for Valentine's Day, and they're both linked in the description, so make sure to check them out after the video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. But before we get started, we're going to do a like, subscribe and notification bell challenge. You have to press all those buttons with your pinky finger in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's actually get started. I actually have a special guest coming on later to test my pancakes. This only requires a few ingredients, which are plain flour. This is 1 cup. 2.5 tablespoons white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Baking soda is different, so don't use that for your pancakes. A pinch of salt. This is actually optional, but it enhances the flavour and the sweetness of it, so I prefer to use it. Milk, and this is 1 cup, same as the flour. 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter. You can add whatever toppings you like, so like Nutella, chocolate spread, chocolate chips, maple syrup. I know a lot of people like having maple syrup on it, and I like it as well. The recipe is very simple. You just have to get all your dry ingredients, which I have on this side, and you just have to mix them in the flour bowl. And I suggest that the flour bowl is quite big because all your ingredients are going to go into this. This is the salt, the baking powder and the sugar. We're going to mix this all up now. You can use a spoon, but I like using a whisk as it's easier and it gets the job done quicker, so you can choose. You want to stir in one direction, whether that's clockwise or anti-clockwise, that's up to you. Make sure all these ingredients are well combined, or else there's going to be like salt everywhere and it won't really taste nice. I finished mixing all these ingredients now, and it's time to move on to the wet ingredients. We're going to add the wet ingredients. The first one you have to add is the egg. Then you add the milk. I recommend you do it in this order because the pancake's more fluffier. Last but not least, we're going to add the butter. This should still be melted. Now we're going to mix it. Once you finish whisking this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional, but I really like it as I think it gives it the vanilla taste and it just makes it so much more delicious. And we're going to whisk this again. Once you finish whisking, we're going to add the dry ingredients. And we're going to whisk this again. Make sure to whisk gently or the pancake won't be fluffy and it'll be really thin. There are no lumps in the batter now, and it should be like a thin consistency, but it shouldn't be too thin or your pancake won't actually form correctly. So it should be about this consistency. Make sure to leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, and then once you've done that, it's ready to make. The first thing you do is spread the butter. I recommend asking your adult for help because you can burn yourself. When you add butter to the pan, it helps you flip the pancake easier. So even if you have like a non-stick pan, I still recommend you use butter. Make sure to have on low heat or else the pancake will get burnt. And make sure you only flip it after like 1 to 2 minutes or the pancake would be undercooked. And here's a finished pancake. Let's taste it. I'm going to taste it in like this pile here first, and then I'm going to separate them, and then my sister's going to come along and she's a special guest if you're wondering. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my god, it tastes so good. This is so good. But let's see what my sister thinks. Come on. So this is my little sister, and I've made loads of different videos with her. So I've made a Play-Doh video, link is in the description, and I've also made mug cakes, and she was a special taster, and she loved it. So let's see if she likes this one as well. She doesn't really like maple syrup, so I've only put a bit on for her, but I like mine drenched in maple syrup. I don't know if my sister knows how to cut it, so I'll help her. So you cut it there. Don't push too hard. I'll do it for you. She doesn't know how to cut pancakes because she hasn't really tried these before. So it's going to be her first time. Oh, you want to do it myself? Okay. I'll try as well. It looks so good though. Oh. Do you like it though? Oh, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And turn on the post notification bell. It will notify you every single time I post a new video. Bye!